Are you looking for a quick and easy breakfast that fuels your day? High-protein overnight oats are the ideal solution. You can prepare them the night before, and they offer a delicious and satisfying way to start your morning. Trust me, you'll look forward to waking up just to enjoy this delightful meal. This recipe is perfect for anyone wanting to increase their protein intake while enjoying a wholesome breakfast. Packed with oats, yogurt, and your favorite toppings, these overnight oats provide a creamy texture and a delightful flavor that keeps you full until lunch. With endless customization options, you can make these oats your own. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds to create a blend that suits your taste. It's a breakfast that not only tastes fantastic, but also supports your lifestyle. A wholesome breakfast with high-protein content. High-protein overnight oats provide a nourishing way to start your day. This dish combines rolled oats, yogurt, and milk, creating a creamy texture that's both satisfying and indulgent. Not only do these oats taste delightful, but they are also packed with essential nutrients. The combination of oatmeal and Greek yogurt delivers a hearty breakfast option that fuels your body and supports your wellness goals. Ingredients for a nutritious start. To create these overnight oats, you'll need some staple ingredients. Rolled oats serve as the base, while yogurt and milk add creaminess and protein. Additional elements like chia seeds and vanilla extract enhance the flavor and nutritional profile. And don't forget your choice of toppings. Fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds can elevate the dish and provide added texture and taste. Simple preparation steps. Preparing high-protein overnight oats is a straightforward process. Begin by mixing your rolled oats with milk and Greek yogurt in a bowl. This combination allows the oats to absorb moisture and flavors overnight. After mixing, portion the mixture into jars or containers. Sealing them properly ensures they stay fresh and ready to enjoy in the morning. Refrigerating overnight is essential for achieving the ideal texture. Personalizing your oats. One of the joys of overnight oats is the ability to customize them to suit your taste preferences. You can experiment with various toppings, such as fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of nuts. Consider adding a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, or incorporate nut butter for an extra protein boost. The options are limitless, making it easy to create a blend that you love. Serving suggestions. Give the oats a gentle stir to mix in any settled ingredients, and then layer your desired toppings on top. Whether you prefer a fruity explosion or a nutty crunch, the final touches will enhance both the flavor and visual appeal of your breakfast. Enjoy it straight from the jar, or transfer it to a bowl for a cozy breakfast experience. Nutritional benefits. These overnight oats are more than just a delicious breakfast. They provide significant nutritional benefits. With around 20 grams of protein per serving, they help keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Additionally, the combination of carbohydrates from oats and healthy fats from nuts promotes sustained energy levels. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to balance nutrition with taste. These high-protein overnight oats feature rolled oats soaked in yogurt and milk, creating a creamy, indulgent breakfast. They're packed with nutrients and flavor, making them a perfect choice for busy mornings or an energizing snack. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy, 1 cup, Greek yogurt, tablespoons chia seeds, tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: combine the base. In a mixing bowl, combine rolled oats, milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir until well mixed. Prepare the jar. Divide the mixture evenly into 2 jars or containers with lids. Chill. Seal the jars and refrigerate overnight, or for at least 4 hours, to allow the oats to soak and soften. Serve. In the morning, give the oats a good stir and add your favorite toppings like fruits, nuts, or a dollop of nut butter. Cook and prep times. Prep time, 10 minutes. Total time, 4 hours or overnight. Nutrition information: servings, 2 servings. Calories, 350 kcal.